Welcome back to Cruising with Carla. Today we will be working on Miss Behavin, a 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. We will guide you through the process of mounting the frame onto a body cart. This will allow us to remount the body onto the frame and prepare it for sandblasting.
Ooh, there's a loop sticker on the door. This is hilarious. Pretty cool.
Come on, Carla, get back to work. This car's been sitting here for how long now?
All right. Welcome back, everyone. So, as you know, it's been a couple of weeks and the body's still sitting here in these blocks, and I've been trying to figure out what the best way it is to get this off to the sandblaster. So I ran into a couple of issues, and one of them being that my ceiling's not very high in this garage. Therefore, I came up with the idea of using a body cart and then strapping it down and then getting the body off to the blaster so I can start actually cutting and welding and getting some more videos out to you guys.
And where are you going to find a body cart, Carla? Come on.
Let me think. Abracadabra! Woo! Magic, guys. This shit is magic. Come on, let's go check out what I got.
What's this pile of junk, Carla?
This is gonna brace my car so I can get it off to the blasters. You'll see.
Let's get to work. Come on.
All right. So much hassle.
Well, I guess first we have to get this unstrapped. All right, you want to put the tailgate down?
Why is the man always giving me orders? God damn it. I think it should be the other way around.
Grab one of these.
These ones?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Sure. Show off to the camera.
I gotta
close.
stand.
That was close. These things I haven't tried. Oh, yeah, I did not eat enough Cheerios. Well, this is why you bring an assistant.
Assistant?
You've been upgraded.
You got a little something on your face there.
Hey, no spray. All right. Whew. And now to figure out how all the puzzle pieces are put together.
What did you buy, Carla?
Well,
Can you explain to the people what any of this stuff is?
no idea, guys, but I'm sure we'll be able to figure this out, how it all ties in together. Alrighty, so as you can see, we got the convertible frame onto this body cart, and I'm just going to shift the convertible frame back a little bit more, and then just to make sure that all these body mounts are actually aligned a little bit more centered into the cart, and I think that'll be it for the day.
All right, well, it took Carla probably more than a week to figure out how to do this, but what did you do here, Carla?
Well, we secured the back using the connecting for the springs, for the leaf springs. Bolted this just to secure the back of the chassis. Then we use these L-shaped brackets that Graham's genius idea again to secure the middle section. And the front,
The front we used some unistrut to secure the front of the frame. with a couple bolts and then a good old redneck ratchet strap for security purposes.
Extra security. Safety first, folks.
Yeah, so that's what it looks like. We'll get this thing rolled into the garage, and once it's in place, we'll work away at getting the body back on to the frame. And as you can see here, Carla's trying to push by herself. I guess come on, harder.
Oh yeah, no, this is heavy. It's a two-man job.
I guess I better go help her.
You better go help me. Okay guys, so we finally jury-rigged a way that we can get the body down back onto the frame, and Dad's gonna give me a hand here. We've got two jacks. Got a little ball jack there, and Dad's got the other jack, and we're just gonna at the same time just lower this puppy back down, and we'll get it onto the frame. Perfect. Woo! Papa, we did it! Ah! Rum.
Yeah, blast that engine, let's go.
Time for beers, Pops. Hey, good work, Papa. Thank you so much. Couldn't have done it without your help.
It's a good thing you had this.
I know. Okay, we're just gonna get the ass end down. Okay. Finally, Dad and I have managed to jerry-rig this. Do not try this at home, kids. But yeah, it's taken a long time to get to this point, so Papa, let's enjoy bringing the car down. Okay, I'm stopping. Okay, stop. Stop.
Yeah.
We were good there. Still go a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Keep going, Papa. Keep going.
That's it.
You're done? Alrighty.
Piece of cake.
Grandpa, get over here. High five.
Piece of cake. All you need is an engine, transmission, and wheels now, and we're styling right in.
That's right. Graham's a grand idea of getting this body onto the trailer. It's the only way we can get this cart on, so I know it's a little bit crazy way of doing things, right, Graham?
Sketchy.
It's sketchy as hell.
All right. What the heck is Carla up to now? Jesus, look at this contraption. Where the heck is she anyways? Carla? What are you doing in there?
Hi, everyone. Well, as you can see, we managed to get the car finally onto a trailer so we can get it off to the blasters. It took a lot of hard work and a lot of ingenuity to try and figure out how to get this body and the frame mounted on this cart that we got. And yeah, so we'll see how we go from here. In a couple of weeks, hopefully we'll be cutting and welding and starting the new build on this car.
All right, let's see how you look behind the wheel. Stay tuned for more of Cruising with Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.